So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GOPLAY10 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, gotta subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, itadial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. So, dito naman guys, ang piliin natin is yung Go Boosters, which is yung number 6. So, kaya ang itatype natin dito is number 6, and then tap send. And after yan guys, piliin nyo lang dito yung number 3, yung Go Play 10. So, type natin yung number 3, and then tap send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng GOPLAY10, makakukuha tayo ng additional 1 GB na data for Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, PUBG, Discord, Twitch, and Honor games for 1 day. So, for only 10 pesos only. So, maganda to guys kapag gusto niyo mag-extend ng load and nabitin kayo dun sa na-register niyo. So, pwede kayo mag-extend for only 10 pesos na 1 GB para sa ating mobile games. So, para ma-subscribe guys or ma-load natin ito, i-type lang natin yung number 1 to subscribe and then tap nyo lang guys yung send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GOPLAY10 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.